Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, today we are starting with the last chapter, that is our chapter number 18, Wastewater Story. Children, we will be completing this chapter in 5 parts and this is your first part. Children, in this part of the chapter, we will understand the meaning of the word wastewater, water a lifeline and sewage. Wastewater. Children, as we all know, we need water for many daily activities. After we use water for activities like washing, bathing, etc., the water becomes dirty. This dirty water is called wastewater. This dirty water should not be thrown, dumped or wasted. In fact, it should be reused after removing its pollutants, as we know that water is vital for drinking, agriculture, industries, sanitation and other human activities. Water a lifeline. It is ironical or understood that 2 billion people in this world do not get clean water. Water contamination is adding to the existing water pollution problems of the world. So much so that United Nations has proclaimed the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants before it enters a water body or is reused. This process of wastewater treatment is commonly known as sewage treatment. It takes place in several stages. Sewage. All wastewater released from different sources forms sewage, which contains a lot of dissolved and suspended impurities called contaminants. Thus we conclude sewage is a liquid waste that is generated from homes, industries, agriculture waste, hospital and offices waste and the other sources. Waste from the homes includes food waste, feces, detergents, etc. And the industrial waste includes chemicals, dyes, etc. Agricultural waste includes animal waste, harmful fertilizers and pesticides. The waste from the hospitals and offices includes chemicals, drugs, infectious waste, etc. Other sources of waste are rainwater carrying harmful substances and the radioactive waste. Nature of each contaminant in sewage. The different type of impurities found in the sewage are the organic impurities, inorganic impurities, nutrients, bacteria and other microbes. Organic impurities include human feces or the human waste, animal waste, urine, oil, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste. Inorganic impurities includes the nitrates, phosphates and metals. Nutrients include nitrogen and phosphorus. The different type of bacteria are also found in sewage, which causes the waterborne diseases like the cholera and the typhoid. The other microbes are also found in the sewage, which causes dysentery.